flat Earth theory challenges conventional views, igniting debates across the globe. Proponents argue that evidence exists in our daily observations, level horizons and stagnant waters. They seek to unveil a hidden truth, suggesting that maps and celestial bodies are misconstrued. This controversial perspective raises questions about scientific consensus and an innate curiosity to explore. While many dismiss it, the discussion reflects a deeper human desire to understand our world. Flat Earth theory is the pseudoscientific belief that the Earth is flat, rather than a globe, as proven by centuries of scientific evidence. Despite this overwhelming evidence, a small group of individuals continues to reject the well-established fact that the Earth is a sphere, and they promote the idea that the Earth is a flat disk. This theory has its roots in ancient beliefs but has seen a modern resurgence, largely fueled by the internet and social media. Key beliefs of flat Earth theory. The Earth is a flat disk. Flat Earth proponents argue that the Earth is not a globe, but a flat disk-shaped object. In many versions of this theory, the North Pole is located at the center of the disk, while Antarctica forms an ice wall around the edges. This ice wall, they claim, prevents people from traveling beyond and discovering the supposed truth about the Earth's shape. Some even speculate that there is more land beyond the ice wall, or that it is an impassable barrier. Conspiracy theories. A central tenet of modern flat Earth theory is the belief in a global conspiracy involving scientists, space agencies, and governments. According to flat earthers, organizations like NASA fabricate images of the Earth from space, and space travel is faked to maintain the illusion of a spherical Earth. They claim that there is a coordinated effort to keep the truth hidden from the public, though the exact motivations for this alleged deception are unclear and often vary between different groups. Rejection of gravity. Flat Earth theory often rejects the mainstream understanding of gravity. Instead of gravity pulling objects toward the center of the Earth, flat earthers propose alternative explanations. One common idea is that the Earth is accelerating upward at 9.8 meters per second too, which creates the illusion of gravity. Others claim that density and buoyancy are responsible for the behavior of objects in relation to the ground, without the need for gravitational force. Space and celestial bodies. Many flat earthers deny the existence of outer space as it is understood by modern science. They argue that celestial bodies such as the sun, moon, stars, and planets are much smaller and closer than science suggests. In some versions of the theory, the sun and moon are only a few thousand miles away and orbit above the flat Earth. Additionally, they claim that the International Space Station and satellite systems are hoaxes, and that humans have never traveled beyond the Earth's atmosphere. The horizon and lack of curvature. One of the primary arguments flat earthers make is that the horizon always appears flat when observed from the ground or even from airplanes. They claim that if the Earth were truly round, there should be noticeable curvature, especially from higher altitudes. They also argue that water always remains level, which they believe contradicts the idea of a curved surface. Historical roots. The idea of a flat Earth has existed for millennia. In ancient cultures such as those in Mesopotamia, Egypt, and parts of the Mediterranean, the Earth was often depicted as a flat disk. These early views were based on limited observations and the lack of knowledge about the universe. Greek philosophers like Pythagoras began to propose the idea that the Earth was round. Aristotle, in the 4th century BCE, provided more evidence for a spherical Earth, such as the shape of the Earth's shadow during lunar eclipses, and the way stars appeared differently as one traveled north or south. By the Middle Ages, the concept of a spherical Earth was widely accepted by scholars in both the Islamic world and Europe. The voyages of explorers like Ferdinand Magellan in the 16th century, who successfully circumnavigated the globe, provided additional proof that the Earth was round. Despite this, belief in a flat Earth persisted in some areas, especially among religious groups that interpreted certain biblical passages literally. Modern Flat Earth Movement. The modern Flat Earth movement began in the 19th century with Samuel Rowbotham, an English writer who published Zetetic Astronomy, in which he argued for a flat Earth based on his interpretation of biblical texts and his own observations. His ideas gained a small following, and the Flat Earth Society was founded in the mid-20th century to promote these views.